Hey guys, this is Heather Miracle recording this for the 30th time with Sugar Cookie Marketing. That's extremely hard for me to say out loud.
Guys, this is Corey. I would like to attest that she has practiced saying it no less than 32 times.
But the one time I said it the best, my cat had a sneezing fit, so we had to scrap that one. Anyways, this is the intro to what would be our podcast and proof that we truly do sound like nails on a chalkboard. Corey,
Yes?
what would this podcast be about, and why do you want it in this format?
Okay. I know that I listen to podcasts when I'm decorating cookies, when I'm baking, so my hands aren't available. I can't just, stop baking to read like we do in the group. So I thought, what a better way to give you guys a little dose of marketing each week than with a podcast where we talk about marketing. If it's a hot topic in the group, we can bring it here, discuss it a little bit more on a more personal level. What else could we talk about?
I don't know. I've seen some podcasts that have the ability to have people call in and leave a voicemail, and then you can replay it and answer their questions.
That.
Getting fancy. Anyways, guys, so this is basically it. No worries. I'm going to be finding a podcast host and then the platforms, but right now this is just, hey, we turned the equipment on, a light's turned on. I'm surprised. Corey's even more shocked, but here's what it is. So we'll give you more information in the group. Last thing, if you haven't signed up for that ever-loving freebie copy email, please do it, because my phone has been blowing up this morning of some late arrivals.
And how you need to find it is www.sugarcookiemarketing.com, and it's right there at the top.
Yeah, it'll be the first form you see where you can type in your email. So do that. I'm going to send that out later today. I'm probably going to make it pretty late because a lot of you keep signing up. Mm-hmm. Great. Anything closing, Corey?
I feel dumb that I just said www.
Well, do you want to do this again?
No, I'm done.
Okay, guys, this is it. We will work on pronunciating and talking slow and Corey and her wwws, okay? Thanks so much.